Hi guys! So this is our first vlog. Actually, we really doesn't know what we have to do in here.
Yeah.
So be nice to us, okay? Let us introduce ourselves first. Me, I'm Rere.
And I'm Jerby.
Okay. And we always call each other
Tanga.
Tanga.
Because she is Tanga.
And you are Tama.
Okay. Okay, let's get started, Re.
Okay, so today we will make simple cookie.
We will make choco chip cookies, really the simple one. And I know, guys, you can make it also.
Okay, so
First,
let us jump to the ingredients. Let's get
You
started.
can maybe first is
Okay, the first what we need is flour. In here we have flour, and then here we have brown sugar.
And this one is
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Baking powder. 1 egg. Salt.
Vanilla extract.
And butter.
Do not forget about the chocolate chips.
Okay, Re.
Yay!
Let's start.
Let's
So
start.
first, we
Okay.
will use this one, Re.
Okay,
I think you need to stand up, Re.
we need to stand up so
Of course.
our face not gonna be.
Okay, like that.
Wait,
Guys,
so wait, we will fix our camera, okay? Okay, let's start. First, we will mix the flour and
the flour, guys.
then the baking soda. Baking soda how much big? 1/4 quarter ya. And then baking powder half.
This is for Rere. Sometimes she's really tanga like that.
Okay, this is salt half also. And then that's it. Let's mix it. We don't have whisk. Oh, wonderful! See who's Tama now?
Okay. Do it, Re. Do it, Re. Do it, Re. Continue.
Okay. Actually, this one is very nice if we have the whisk. Okay, now
For the what? The what? Yeah, supposed to be this one is using
butter. So we will.
this is still right, but only this one is the wrong one. It's supposed to be this one is for the wet because we need to.
Yeah.
But it's okay, guys.
Actually, it's okay.
Because she is tanga. This is our problem all the time. See?
It's okay. Now we will
Mix the
mix with the brown sugar, yeah?
Sorry. With butter and this one together.
So when we have to
Yeah, of course.
relax. You have another bowl?
Guys, wait, yeah.
Oh my god, she has another bowl! I love her. See? So, supposed to be the first step we have to do is we mix the brown sugar
But supposed to be the
and
this one, Ray, should be the using this one. But it's okay, no
This is
problem.
okay, no problem. This is the
Do it, tanga.
Okay, then.
Oh my God.
Sorry. Okay. Here we put the butter that we have, and then we will
The egg is later there.
the egg later. Plus one.
So I will be the one to mix this one. Okay.
Wonderful. Guys, it's so wonderful. If you know, guys, it's like we are in the war, you know.
You know, there's. Mix already.
Okay, now we will mix it because now it's already be like this. I think tomorrow we will repeat again this action. We will make the cookie again tomorrow.
So first time is
Always fail.
yeah.
Okay, this is not the right one, yeah, guys. You supposed
This is the right one actually, but we only
the mixture.
wrong for using the ball.
Yeah.
So put the egg right away there. Before
No.
I will keep your.
So funny. This is so funny. Okay. Tanga.
So put the eggs now. No, only one.
No. Better.
So
Put this one first. After that, after this one finish, and then we will put the egg. Stop it!
oh my god! Until you cannot do the right.
My God, we are so tired, just like our wings.
I can do it today. I'm just so tired.
You can do it in the tanga. Yeah, you are so smart, but you are not.
That's okay, Chris.
So guys,